people, this particular video I felt I should make since I had reviewed this book, Khullam Khulla, a little while ago, like maybe a month ago. And it was, it was a autobiography practically of late Rishi Kapoor ji. I mean, really, to affix a late front of someone's name is, so we really lost a gem of Indian cinema. And apparently, Rishi Kapoor was one of the only actors to have, you know, he remained the evergreen hero for a whole generation of actresses. Yeah, I mean, it's a very rare achievement indeed. So it's truly Rishi sir. I mean, we've so that's what I can't recommend that book, Khullam Khulla, enough, because it's such a honest and it gives you a peek into the life of the Kapoor Khandan. So beautiful book. So try and read it, people. It's on Amazon. It's called Khullam Khulla. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.